how to create an ad for the purchase of cryptocurrency on the Bit.team website, or how to buy cryptocurrency. To do this, you need to go to the appropriate section, Place an Ad. This section is available after KYC verification. On the ad placement page, check the selected product to buy. Choose the coin that you want to buy and the currency in which it is convenient for you to pay for this transaction. Then choose the rate of the ad. The source of the rate can be any at your own will. Below, set the percentage of profit for which you want to purchase cryptocurrency, or you can enter a fixed rate. After that, you need to select the transaction limit. This is the minimum and maximum limit at which it is convenient for you to trade. Then choose the appropriate banking details from the saved ones or add a new payment system. Then you can specify a comment to the transaction and enter your wallet's password. Click Create Ad. You will automatically go to the page with your active ads. Our ad has been created. All the conditions that we have specified are present here. Please note that our active ads may be disabled. Check the slider so that it is in the active state, and you can check the position in the sell section. Now we are waiting for the seller, who will be satisfied with our conditions.